Planning a move from Greensboro to Mooresville? It may be an in-state relocation, but having the right plan can still save you time, stress, and unexpected expenses. Moving costs for this North Carolina route can vary, depending on your household size, the amount of furniture you have, and whether you need extra services. Many moves may fall between about $800 and $2,500, while a typical two-bedroom move may cost around $900 to $1,600. The biggest cost factors include stairs, truck size, labor hours, packing assistance, bulky furniture, and storage. Make sure every service you need is included when requesting an estimate. Don't choose a mover based only on the lowest number. Compare what each quote includes, check customer reviews, and confirm that the moving company is properly licensed and insured. Start sorting and packing early. Label every box by room, separate fragile belongings, and prepare an essentials bag with medication, chargers, documents, toiletries, and a change of clothes. Because Greensboro and Mooresville are roughly 90 miles apart, many moves can be completed in one day, with loading in the morning and unloading later that afternoon. Before moving day, confirm the arrival window, payment terms, inventory list, parking access, and who to contact if the schedule changes. Moving from Greensboro to Mooresville? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options, request a free estimate, and start planning your move with confidence.